Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. We only trade where the market pays us to. Let's get right into it. Just a quick overview. Just for a little bit of context when it comes to the dollar. The dollar index, I am anticipating it to be dropping from here. So I'll be keeping that in mind, and fortunately, it makes sense. When we look at the Dow Jones, we've had three complete levels of drop. Might have extended a little bit here, but I still expect them to reverse from here. I'm anticipating three levels of rise, or at least one, that is. I'm moving on to the euro. The euros are just about almost identical to the pound. I'm anticipating again a reversal of the trend here. I would like to go long here for same, at least one more level, or one level rather. Dollar CAD, two levels of rise and a bit of consolidation. More often than not, here we expect some negative correlation between this and the pound and the euro. Essentially, if we look at what I'm anticipating from the dollar index, it would make sense that this reverses. However, from a level count, I'm still expecting one more level of rise actually. So I'm gonna stick with my guns there and expect one more level of rise. But of course, it's gonna have to be, excuse me, very clear and obvious for me to take any position. Swiss franc, three levels of rise. Sorry, a little bit of extension here. I expect a reversal in line with the dollar index and the levels as well, so I'll have full confidence there. Euro GBP. Oh, I should actually mention, I didn't say this. I had made some changes to my watch list. The three indices, I remove them as well as AUD USD because I just don't get opportunities to trade there, to be completely honest. Once, maybe twice, every couple of months, or every other month rather. So it's not really worth my time. I spend a lot of time analyzing and making sure. So I would rather put that energy into something where I'm going to get more trading opportunities, and then my edge can kind of play out a little bit more there. So I have replaced it with a couple of instruments. You'll see them, and the first one is this one here, EURGBP. Like I said, three levels of rise. I'm anticipating one more level of drop. I haven't traded these in years actually, so it'll be interesting to see and acclimate myself with them and everything. But at the end of the day, the system is a system, so I expect to go short here. Euro CHF, three levels of rise as well. It does have a bit of a correlation with USD Swiss franc, so hopefully that also plays out. Like I said, I want to go short here. GJ has always been a wild card. I saw a reset level here and then they pulled back, so it could have been one more level of rise essentially, just so they could actually begin the downtrend. But in all honesty, I'm not yet sure, so I'm just gonna wait, especially since they've been chopping around they chopped around for so long before they made another move here. So I'm just gonna wait and see how that develops, and then I'll come back later if there's any trading opportunity. And finally, EURJPY, two levels of rise, a bit of consolidation here. Maybe they've come back to retest the Mayo, if you will. But I am expecting them to continue rising, one more level of rise, so I'll be waiting to go long here. And let's go have a look at where our positions could come from. The pound is flirting with yesterday's low, which is exactly what I want them to do. A nice two-legged formation here would be excellent, and I'll be in long there. The euro, last week's low. I basically almost have a first leg here. No, I'm lying. I do not. So I'll be waiting to see if they can give me a proper first leg, maybe slightly below Asian session low, and then we can grab something there. I'm not so optimistic considering how they move there in the beginning of the day, but we'll see how that develops. USDCAD, like I said, I wanted to go long there. Let's see. Maybe they can give me a nice London move as well. London setups I by far my favorites, by the way. I don't like dealing with New York reversal that much. In fact, the earlier during London, the better. Let's see. Swiss franc. Could you give us a short there? Another one that not so much. I mean, it's not like you're not getting anything considering how it looks now. Maybe something hits slightly above here and reverses, and we'll have something. We'll see how it develops. But from where I'm sitting, it doesn't look so likely. But if it does present itself and the trade is there, I will most certainly take it. Euro GBP, we want to go short. Let's see. Now, this one is a little bit more encouraging if something does come out here. We've got Asian session high as well as yesterday's high. So anything in this region could give us a good entry. Although it could be, is it a type 3? I think it's called a type 3 setup here at last week's high. I don't expect that, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, I don't trade them neither, actually. But it's always good to know and notice when it's happening. EURCHF, let's see. Similarly, I would like to see them come up here to the Asian session high. Maybe we might be able to get an opportunity from there to go short. See how it goes. GBPJPY, like I said, I'm gonna stay out for a while. And finally, EJ, I do want to go long, provided there's a very clear opportunity. And I do have my first leg over here. This is exactly what I want. So I want to see what they're gonna do when they get down to the current low of the day. If there's anything here, a good entry signal, I will be inside, and I will take them long and see how that goes for the day. To at least complete my cycle. And yeah, that's my watch list for today. Bit of updates, bit of changes rather to my watch list. So let's see how things unfold over the next couple of weeks, months. I'm always tracking the data. That's how I end up removing the other one. So I'm always checking the data to see if it's even worth being there. Otherwise, that is all I have for today. Please hit the link in the description and join the discussion. Share with us what you're trading or what you're looking at. Some of us just answering questions in there for the most part. It's an open community, so please join. And if you're interested in a little bit more insight, join the channel. Again, they're both in the description. In the channel, I will share my macro view as well. It's not every day, sometimes not even every week. It is when that macro narrative changes, but when it does, I always make it a point to update in there. So make sure you hit the link in the description if that is relevant for you. I hope you guys have a profitable trading day, and I will see you in the next one.